Hi, I'm Damien with Magaya Customer Support. In this video, I'll show you how to add a forwarding agent to your Magaya system. Adding agents to your system helps you take advantage of the automated features in Magaya, saving you data entry when you work with other agents. If you work with many agents, you can import a list of them into Magaya. See our knowledge base for steps. But in this video, we'll add one agent to walk through the fields in the profile so you know what's required and what's optional. Open the maintenance folder and go to the forwarding agents list. The list will be blank if you haven't added any agents yet. Click the Add button. On the General tab, I'll show you the fields needed and skip the others. Start by entering the company information, including the company name in the name field. This is required. The company phone and fax numbers. Add the name of the primary contact person and their email address. Please note, this is the email address that your Magaya system will use to notify the agent when you select them in a shipment or other transaction. This is one of the benefits of adding agent profiles. The system automates filling in their information into transactions such as shipments, so you don't need to type it every time. If you want this agent to only work with certain employees in a division in your company, then select a division from the menu. You will need divisions set up already to select one. Leave this field blank if you want all employees to see the agent. See our knowledge base for more on divisions. Some countries require an ID number. If so, fill in the identification number field and select the type of ID number. Otherwise, leave it blank. Look at this network ID field. It gets filled automatically when you connect with an agent through the Magaya network. So what's the Magaya network, you ask? It lets you transmit data directly from your system to your agent's Magaya system. This is one of the benefits for both you and your agent using Magaya. No retyping, no errors. See our knowledge base for details. Let's add a few more things to the profile. On the Address tab, fill in the agent's address. Selecting a port is optional. If their billing address is different from their main address, enter it in the Billing Address tab. Otherwise, leave this tab blank. Other addresses could include other branch offices if they have them. Skip this tab if not needed. The Contacts tab is used for other agents at this forwarding agency. When you add a contact, this will enable you to give these individual contacts their own access to the online tracking, not just access for the main contact on the General tab. It also includes them on any email transactions. The Participation tab is useful for setting up profit sharing. If you're not familiar with the profit sharing and liquidation processes in Magaya, it's best to leave this tab blank for now. Later, when you're liquidating shipments, you'll see the benefit of adding the participation in the profile, because then the system will automatically use the participation details from the agent's profile in the shipment for you, so you don't need to edit the profit sharing in the shipment transaction each time. Skip the other tabs and use the attachments, notes, and internal notes as needed. For example, you may have to add a copy of a contract or add information about the agent. It's optional. Click OK to save the agent's profile. It appears in the forwarding agents list. Now the agent's information is ready to use in shipments and warehouse receipts. Be sure to see our other videos to help you get the most from Magaya. Thanks for watching.